Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Excel dates that won't change format. We will start by opening the file to see the dates to be corrected. There, select these dates, then you will go to the menu data and there click on text to columns. First, leave the delimited box active. Click on Next, and here also leave the tab box enabled, which comes by default. Click on Next. Now check the date option. In the list, select the day, month, year option. Click on Finish to apply this change. After that, with the dates selected, right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Date section, click on the format that you are going to implement in the date. When you click on OK, you will see the new date format in Excel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.